another video. This week's LSM shout out goes to Mansi. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. In case you want to check me out on my other social media platforms, here are all the links. So for today's video, मैंने अपने लिए थोड़ा सा challenge setup किया है. Now I love wearing ethnic these days clearly, and मैंने decide किया कि to give Meesho another try. I've shopped from them in the past, and I've absolutely loved their products. So I thought कि why not थोड़ा सा challenge और बढ़ाए, इसमें भी raise the bar. I thought ki let's see what we can get under rupees 500 in Meesho, and I've not only just ordered like plain kurtis, but all of the products are proper kurta sets, sharara sets. So I'm super excited. मेरे पैकेट्स आ चुके हैं, and also जब से मैंने पहले वाला मीशो वीडियो फिल्म किया था, बहुत सारे उनके चेंजेस भी आ गए ऐप में, which has honestly made the entire process very very easy to order. अब you can bulk order, जो I think पहले नहीं होता था. So I was super happy to receive my order. All of them came within 7 days. And now I'm going to be opening them up. Okay, so the first product green color में है, जो कि मैंने कहा like बहुत different है. मैं usually नहीं पहनती हूँ ऐसा color. And at an instant, I'm really happy to see this. So ये I think shirt है. It's a completely mirror work shirt. And little embellishments and detail is going on throughout. And then we have इसका bottom जो है एक proper plazo set. And इसके साथ we get a net वाली चुन्नी also, which I think looks really good. यहाँ पे तो मेरा Bollywood moment हो रहा है. And it of course has like little embellishments all over. So overall, like this is not bad. Like I think Meesho पे especially the lower range के products, उनका जो material होता है बहुत basic होता है. जैसे इसका I think it's simple cotton, but it's always comfortable. It's not that गंदा वाला net material. The only thing जो net का है वो ये चुन्नी है, but that's honestly okay with me for the price I'm paying. And I'm surprised yet again by Meesho, I think, because मैंने नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि जो 463 में फुल सूट सेट्स आ रहे हैं उनकी भी क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी. Of course, if you're paying under rupees 500, it might not last like 2-3 seasons, but looks pretty good to me for now. Okay, so this is the next product. ये तो मैंने specifically color के लिए choose किया है. I think this sort of wine shade looks so luxurious, so regal on everyone. And this one was at 345. Like that's literally the price I paid. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is what the shirt looks like, and at an instant the cloth again of this one is super nice. It's simple plain cotton जो बहुत अच्छा रहता है especially summers के लिए. The only thing जो होता है lower price products में is कभी कभार की जो print है वो निकल जाता है. So for that I'll keep you updated कि wash के बाद ही कैसा है. I like the little details on like the sleeve as well, and matching to that एकदम similar fabric में you have these very very breathable pants. Like I'm still in shock कि 345 में I think इतने अच्छे products मिल रहे हैं. And इन pants के bottom पे ये ऐसे design of lace भी हो रखा है. For the next product, moving on to one of my favorite colors, जो मैं जब भी कोई ethnic haul करती हूँ ये color तो मैं लेती हूँ, which is blue, because I just know for a fact that it will look good no matter what. But this one has a little bit of a twist with a yellow bottom. Okay, so this is the shirt in a really nice indigo sort of a color, which I'm loving. Again, gold foil print all over. इसका तो wash के बाद ही पता चलेगा. I know for some products it comes off very easily, so I'll keep you updated. And इसके end में sleeve में एक sort of tie up भी है, and the sleeves of this one are half sleeves. And this is a simple U-neck. Now इसका fabric थोड़ा सा mixture है. Like this is not the most comfortable. You can make out that of course it has a polyester blend, and इसका length is pretty long. Like for me, so it will be like way down the knees. And with this comes the beautiful contrasting yellow pants. I thought this will be super fun to try. Blue kurti के साथ एक yellow color का bottom, and ये है आपकी pants, sort of plazo pants. And इसका material is still fine, like it's breathable. I can see it's a little bit transparent, but I think this is a nice solid color to go with it. And also ये वाली pants like इतने सारे बाकी कुर्तीज के साथ भी use हो जाएंगी. Also, a lot of people have this question कि मीशो पे products इतने सस्ते क्यों होते हैं, but according to me, because वो direct seller से आ रहे हैं, and India में I'm guessing कि ethnic suits और ये सब बहुत अच्छे price पे of course बनते होंगे. So because it's directly coming from them, that's why hence the lower price, because quality में उतना compromise नहीं है versus if you order from Ajio या Myntra पे उन पे कोई बेसिक प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करोगे तो उसमें क्वालिटी में कुछ ना कुछ कॉम्प्रोमाइज मुझे हमेशा दिखता है. द नेक्स्ट वन, आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस. द रीजन बीइंग दैट इट्स इन अ ब्लैक कलर एंड मेरे पास लाइक आई लव ब्लैक बट समहाउ मेरे पास कोई ऐसे ब्लैक सूट था नहीं, सिंपली बिकॉज you always shy away from wearing black या white वाले suits. It's always colors in your kurtis. But I was like, how do I not have a black suit yet? So I saw this one. बहुत simple है but मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये. So this is the shirt which is a simple cotton kurti. This is again very comfortable fabric like Latika approved fabric. But this has like little details. तो यहाँ पे sort of पूरा गोटा पट्टी का neck है and the similar design is on the sleeves as well. And then it flows down and bottom पे भी वो same design है. Again ये थोड़ी सी transparent है. And talking about the pants, I like the fact कि क्योंकि कुर्ता plain था, the pants have a little bit of a design going on them. This sort of checkered going all bottom में. And again I have completely like वो जो tight fitted सलवार सूट्स होते हैं वो तो अब मेरे से नहीं होते. So pretty much all of the products are these loose fit sort of plazo pants. And yes, the fabric of this one is pretty nice. And again, this was for around rupees 544. So to get a proper full suit set, like मैं अभी भी shocked हूँ because मैंने नहीं expect किया था कि जो 500 के रेंज में products होंगे वो भी ऐसे होंगे. The next product, इसका price मैं देख रही थी, this has increased to around rupees 800. But nonetheless, let's go ahead because it's such a beautiful looking color. Okay, this is your classic sky blue cotton printed kurti. It's a classic blue kurti with white details all over. So of course पहले तो पूरा print है white का which is looking so beautiful. And then इसमें एक और touch है center में, यहाँ पे usually buttons होते हैं but you have pearl detailings which makes it look so chic. Like इसमें of course you have paid like around rupees 800 but तब भी in 800 to get this kind of a quality, like this can easily resale or retail for rupees 2000 का पूरा suit set because इसके साथ pants भी आती है. And then this is what the pants look like. Again the beautiful sky blue color. I've gone for the loose fit plazo sort of pants. This is simple cotton looking really nice. And then a very simple cotton dupatta. Now this is your classic pure cotton suit sets जो आजकल इतने ज़्यादा trend में है, like so many celebrities are also wearing on an everyday basis. So I am absolutely so happy with this. Like this looks so cute. And ये था मीशो का haul. मैंने honestly नहीं expect किया था. I was like चलो challenge, मतलब ऐसे दिखते अपने आप को भी challenge करके कि 500 में क्या मिलता है on Meesho, because I have seen people raving about Meesho finds and hidden gems. Like मैंने 5 products order करे हैं and I would give them 5 out of 5. I would buy all of them and I'm not going to return anything out of these because all of them are so good. So this time Meesho has really surprised me. मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि अच्छा 500 में आपको अच्छे थोड़े से long lasting products भी मिलेंगे. So I'm super happy with these hidden gems of Meesho and I hope you enjoyed too. आपकी कौन सा favorite है मुझे बताना. I'll of course keep all of you updated about the quality in the comments box below. And इसके अलावा कुछ भी questions है, Meesho में product links नहीं होते, codes होते हैं. So I'll make sure to mention that नीचे description box में so that you can shop and maybe send pictures if you wear them and tag me. And yes, I think that's about it for today's video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you very soon with another video. Bye.